guys, welcome back. I hope you're all well. My Glossybox has arrived. It's a bit late, but it's here. So we're going to dive into this. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair, and let's dive into this box. Now, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. You usually get about 5 items, but sometimes they can sneak in a little treat or two. I've had chocolates and things like that, which has been nice. I will put the details of how much I pay in the description box below, but I've been a subscriber now for approaching a year and a half, or just under a year and a half. This subscription has been very hit and miss for me. To be honest with you, there's been more misses than hits. Last month's box was quite cool. There was quite a lot of makeup in there, which is great. And I'm looking forward to unboxing this one. So let's dive in and have a look. The box always comes beautifully presented. You get a gorgeous magazine. It's filled with bits and bobs to do with the products that's in there, how to use them, a brief description. And you also get a sneak peek of the next month, which I will show you in a moment. I love the way it's tied up with a ribbon. And this box just looks gorgeous with the leaflet on the front. Look at that. That is spring, isn't it? I do like that. So it says woke up in spring is this month's theme, which it's springtime, so it's very fitting. I will give you a sneak peek of next month's product, and I'm actually quite excited to try this. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. Okay, so here we go. I'll get up nice and close for you. It looks quite cool. So there it is. You can open your eyes now. I will be referring to the magazine, you know, just because I always come across products and brands that I've never used before. So it's always good just to have a sneaky peek at the magazine. So let's dive in. Oh, it's a bit noisy from the tissue paper. Oh, we've got one that's upside down. There's a sneaky peek of what's in this month's box. Looks very intriguing and interesting. So let's dive in. I will start with what was the sneak peek from last month, and that is the Sophia Mabelle Eyeshadow Quad. This packaging is gorgeous. My youngest child had a baby grow that was exactly like this when she was a bubba, and this is gorgeous. I like that. So let's dive in and have a look. Oh, that's quite cute. I think they're shades that sort of everybody can use, which is nice. And we need to have a swatch, definitely. So there's the quad there. If I come up nice and close. It's nice. This is nice and compact. It's very travel friendly, which is good. Now we need to dive into these. There's a nice pink. That pink looks absolutely lovely. There we go. That dark one. They can be quite difficult to do. It's not too bad. That pink shimmer on the end, it's quite a pale one. But, you know, I quite like that. This dark one has come off a bit patchy, but, you know, just build it up on the lid and see how it goes. But, yeah, you know, I'm looking forward to creating a look with that. And for once, I actually haven't got a wipe with me, so I'm going to have makeup everywhere by the end of this video. And let's see what Glossybox have said about it. It's the Sophia Mabelle full size eyeshadow quad, and it retails at £25, so that's quite good value. So you've already got the value of your box in one product, which is good. And it says, who doesn't love a gorgeous eyeshadow palette? This beautiful palette is perfect for everyday wear with 4 universally flattering shades. Not shattering, flattering. I would love to get through one of these videos without tripping over my words. And they are very universal shades. They're shades that will, you know, flatter everybody, which is cool. Featuring a mix of both matte and satin shimmer tones, this palette would enhance your eye makeup look and give a natural, effortless finish. So that's cool. So yeah, like I said, I'm looking forward to using that. The next item we got in here, ooh, I'm really excited to be trying these. It's the 417 Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salts. Now that was a mouthful, and it says a vegan, and you get 100 grams in here, which is 3.4 ounces. So there's the packaging. These look really nice. I'm hoping they smell absolutely gorgeous. But we don't have a reseal on here, which is a bit unfortunately. So I'm just going to try and bust open just a corner so I can have a sniff. I can't smell anything. Give them a bit of a shake. Yeah, I can't smell anything really, which is really unusual. Yeah, I can smell something that's very kind of natural smelling, but oh, give it another good shake. It's got a smell of something, surely. Yeah, no, nothing. Oh, well, I'll have to see what they're like in the bath. I was going to have a nice soak this evening. Hopefully there is some kind of fragrance to them, because otherwise, you know, bath salts, you like a fragrance. And it says they retail, full £10.24, and you can get a full size, which is 500 grams. So we've got the deluxe mini. And it says they're enriched with unique healing minerals. These hydrating Dead Sea bath salts are all you need for a perfectly pampered bath, providing the ultimate spa experience. After just one use, your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. So that's great. You know, you can get a nice little spa treatment at home, and smooth skin after a bath is always great. These salts also help enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimising the inevitable signs of aging. So that's good, you know. Anything that's hydrating will help with the signs of aging because it plumps the skin. Yeah, so that's good. It's just a shame you can't really smell anything. The next item we've got, oh God, I think this is supposed to be Downtown Paris, and it looks like it's a liquid blush. I need some tea. So let's see what shade this is. Hopefully it's a shade that I can use. And if I just, oh, blimey. If I just pop it on just underneath the eyeshadow. And there we've got it here, a nice little blob. Let's just blend it out. Oh, I like that shade. I quite like the deeper, more neutral toned blush. That's really nice. Oh, I'm losing my box. Yeah, that's a really nice shade. I like that. And it feels quite silky and quite smooth. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Does it smell? No, no fragrance. Got a nice dab of it on my finger. Have to wash my hands, I think, soon. And it says here it's a liquid blusher and it retails at £19.58. So that's really good. That's, you know, we've now more than doubled the price of the box. Trebled it, really. And it says formulated with 99% natural and total vegan products, which is good, ingredients. The Downtown Paris blush is ideal product to enhance your cheeks. Perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. So that's cool. So you can just amp it up for your evening. You could even use it on the eyes as well if you want to use it on the eyes. It says simply take a small amount of the blush and pat along your cheekbones with your fingertips. Or you can go in with a stipple brush, or you can also go in with your blender. I kind of use all three methods really. The next item we have is the Cosmos Natural Antioxidant Contour Eye Cream. It's got hyaluronic acid, coffee, lemon and apple extracts. That's quite cool, and it says feel free. So there we go, another eye cream. We're getting so many kind of eye creams now. It's starting to drive me a bit crazy. And this one isn't sealed, so I'm going to have to pop it on my other hand. Oh, this looks more like a serum than a cream. Oh, it's got like a clear kind of thingy to it. Let's have a look. Yeah. It is a cream, not a serum. It's very kind of loose textured. It's watery. That has rubbed in quite nice. It's got a nice natural kind of fragrance that reminds me of Trilogy, which is really nice. Yeah, and that has just rubbed in really well. A little bit of tackiness there, but I quite like that. Yeah, and even though it is another eye cream, you know, we can always do with eye creams. So I'm not that mad at that. and it says it's the Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream. It retails at £4.77, which isn't bad. So if you really like it, fall in love with it, it's very affordable, which is great. And it says hydrating under the eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This Antioxidant Eye Contour Cream is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more. Also help balance the skin tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. Well, that's good because I've got quite a lot of dark circles under my eyes, so anything which will brighten that area up and enable me not to use as much concealer, because now I'm aging, I've got fine lines under my eyes. The more concealer I pack on under there, the more it creases and the older I look. So, you know, if that says what it does, what it says on the bottle, then absolutely fabulous. And I'm looking forward to using that one. And the last item we've got is Skin & Co. And it says Morning Dew. And it is a gentle botanical face cleansing gel. Well, that sounds quite cool. We've not had a cleanser in here for ages, so I like this. And I do love a good cleanser. Right, this one is sealed. And it is nice to get something like this. It's different. Thank you, Glossybox, for providing us with something different. Now I'm going to pop the cleanser on my hand. It's a nice clear gel. And it feels like it's got quite a runny consistency. Yeah, as you can see, it's running down my hand. Does it smell? Oh, it does. There is fragrance in there. That smells very fresh. I know I'm rubbing it in my hand, and it's a cleanser. There we go, look. My hand has now gone white. Yeah, I like that. I would mix it with a bit of water and go in. I'll probably use it as a second cleanse, because I normally use something that's a bit creamier and a bit more softer on my skin as a first cleanse. But my hands must be dry, it's absorbed it. Which is nice. I'm definitely going to have to wash my hands in a minute. And it says the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. Now this is a deluxe mini and it's 20 mils and it's worth £1.98, and you can get a full size which is 200 mils, which retails at £18.29. So that's not too bad. And it says cleanse, uplift and brighten your complexion. Packed with superhero ingredients, this gentle cleanser will soon be an essential step in your skincare routine. Black winter truffle extracts fortifies the skin with powerful antioxidants enzymes, whilst traditional Umbrian botanicals refresh skin and dissolve impurities. So dissolving the impurities would be removing the dead skin, you know, the bits that are just sitting on the surface, removing any makeup residue you got left on your face, which is great, or just, you know, just the normal oils that build up in your skin throughout the day and night. It says papaya extract also brightens and minimises the appearance of blemishes while improving the appearance of texture and tone of the skin, which is great. So if you've got blemish prone skin, that would be a great one for you to use. And at the moment my face is covered in blemishes. I've gone back to my niacinamide and I am purging, which isn't great. So yeah, I am looking forward to trying that one as well. And like I said, a nice cleanser. Yay, thank you Glossybox, something new. So if you get Glossybox, I'd love for you to let me know what you kind of thought of this month's box and how you're getting on with the products. Like I said, my box is quite late, so you've probably been diving into yours by now. And I'll update you on these items in a future faves and fails or an empties video. But thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. I am going to tuck into my tea and bust out another video. Until next time, lovelies, take care. Bye bye.